Mr. Alfredo, he really know what he was doing. Hello guys! Remember my video of the different type of authentic homemade pasta? Fettuccine, linguine, pappardelle, tonarelli. Today guys is the day of a super simple and really famous recipe. Fettuccine Alfredo. Why this name? Okay, Alfredo is a gentleman that back in 100 years ago he opened one of the most famous restaurants in Roma. Alfredo a Via della Scrofa. Alfredo is Scrofa Street. So Alfredo got a pregnant wife. It was after the Second World War. So this pregnant wife was super hungry, you know, and there is no such of many food back in those days. So Alfredo, what he did? He just make some homemade fettuccine. You can also buy the one not homemade, same recipe. And then he just make a really simple but super delicious sauce with just some butter and Parmesan cheese to give a lot of good strength to his pregnant wife. From there, they're super famous Fettuccine Alfredo. Some American customers, they love that. They brought it to US, then you know they make some different type of Fettuccine Alfredo with mushroom, green peas, sometimes chicken, but we keep my tradition, guys. Here the recipe. First thing first, the water is boiling to cook our fettuccine, and we can switch on the fire under the pan to melt our butter. Our water is boiling, we add 1 teaspoon of salt, and we add our fettuccine. Usually homemade fettuccine takes like 5-6 minutes, but we always need to try, okay guys? The butter is all melted. We can switch off the fire under the butter. Waiting for our fettuccine, we're gonna start to prepare our Parmesan cheese. Let's say around 100 grams, guys. You see guys, it's such a simple recipe, but with really important ingredients to help you to recover, to give you some really good nutrition ingredients. Fettuccine, egg and flour, so a lot of energy. Parmesan cheese, full of calcium, even the butter with his fat to help you to be strong and recover. Perfect for the children, guys. Our fettuccine, they look super ready. So we switch on the fire again under the melted butter. We switch off the fire under the fettuccine and we pass the fettuccine here. Mamma mia ragazzi, che odore! Mamma mia che odore ragazzi! Such a nice smell. Stir fry. We add some boiling water of the pasta full of starch to make our cream super nice. Look, such an amazing cream is coming out. Now it's time to add our cheese. Mamma mia, look, such an amazing cream, guys. Look how creamy and nice they are. Super simple. All right, our fettuccine are ready to be plated. Whoa. Now we add some other Parmesan cheese on top, a pinch of black pepper. Our perfect, authentic, homemade Fettuccine Alfredo are ready. Here we are. Mamma mia, ready to smell. Guys, the best moment ever. Look how nice and creamy they are. Simple but super delicious, you know. And Mr. Alfredo, he really know what he was doing. Mamma mia. If you pass by Roma, go to this restaurant. If you like, of course, you can have some mushroom. In Roma, in my restaurant in Shanghai, I even had some fresh truffle on top, which makes it even more special. But even like this, guys, it's just amazing. So, this and many other recipes with our homemade different type of pasta are coming soon. Always with me, with your chef Paolo, in my kitchen. Next time, see you again. Bye bye!